Hi, I'm Sarah Hughes and I'm in the VAT team here at PKF Cooper Parry. I've been here since April 18 and I'm now heading up the MTD campaign. So what is Making Tax Digital and why has it been introduced? HMRC estimate that there's a tax gap of about £7 billion currently and £3 billion specifically relating to VAT. HMRC feel that if they introduce the new digital reporting requirements, this should close that tax gap. It's their opinion that most taxpayers are trying to get the tax right and pay it on time. But because of things like formula errors and transposition errors, this is leading to quite a large tax gap, and that's what they're trying to plug. If you're a business with taxable turnover of more than $85,000, then you will be required to report under Making Tax Digital. In terms of what we deem taxable turnover, anything that you charge VAT on at standard rate, zero rate or reduced rate will count towards the threshold. Unfortunately, exemptions from Making Tax Digital are few and far between. The only real exemptions are there for age, disability and religious reasons, and if that's the case you've probably got already steps in place to file paper returns rather than report under the current system. Well, going back to 2018, in April 2018 HMRC introduced a successful pilot scheme, and then from October 2018 started to work closely with businesses reporting live data. This continues through to more complex businesses as we go into 2019. So from April 2019 it will be mandatory for all businesses unless you're in one of the deferment categories to file under Making Tax Digital, and it will be the first return starting on or after April 19. In terms of deferment categories, if you're a business that makes payments on account, falls under the annual accounting scheme, is a not-for-profit organisation that's not run as a company, is in a VAT group or makes reports under VAT divisions, then you are deferred until the 1st of October 2019 for reporting. But if you're already using software that's on the approved list, then it will be a case of, instead of running that VAT report in the system, printing it out and entering the numbers onto the internet, instead it will be a click of a button and that information will be reported to HMRC digitally. Well, if it's because you've got a bespoke system in place, or you're using good old-fashioned Excel, or you make several manual adjustments outside of the system, then there is an alternative solution. You can introduce bridging software that makes a link from your current reporting into Excel and can receive data back. We work closely with a bridging software provider that's already approved with HMRC and already making live submissions through them. So hopefully that's given you a brief overview, and you've probably got tons more questions now that are specific to your business. Please feel free to get in touch with the VAT team and we're happy to help.